Upbeat music plays. The camera zooms in on the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner, which are displayed on either side of the screen. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's a bad haircut. Today, we've got a showdown that'll make your floors sparkle and your wallet giggle. It's the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop on the left versus the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner on the right. Which one will reign supreme in your cleaning arsenal? Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark comes in hot at $149. Yikes! That's about the same price as a fancy dinner for two. Meanwhile, the Schenley is a more wallet-friendly $119. Reviewers have noted that while the Shark is effective, its higher price can be a deterrent, especially when Schenley offers a more budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. So if you're looking to save a few bucks while keeping your floors spotless, Schenley takes the crown here. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Cleaning power. The Shark claims to be a professional steam mop, which sounds super fancy. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on various flooring types and its 3-level steam settings. However, the Schenley shouldn't be underestimated. It boasts strong cleaning power and versatility. Many users are impressed with how well it tackles dirt and grime without chemicals, making it a great option for families with pets. So if you want to banish stains like they owe you money, Schenley might just be your sidekick. Next, we have heating time. The Shark takes about 30 seconds to get steamy, which some reviewers find a bit long for their impatient cleaning sessions. Meanwhile, the Schenley is ready in just 15 seconds, earning praise from users who appreciate its quick startup time. If you're like many and can't wait to get your clean on, Schenley is definitely the quicker option. Let's talk about chemicals. The Shark is all about steam, which many reviewers commend for being effective without harsh chemicals. However, the Schenley is waving its eco-friendly flag high. It requires no chemical cleansers, just good old tap water. Reviewers love that it's a more natural cleaning option, making it ideal for those who prefer a chemical-free environment. If you're all about that chemical-free life, Schenley is your best bet. Now, let's see how versatile these mops are. The Shark is primarily a floor cleaner, which is great, but reviewers note that it lacks additional features. The Schenley, however, comes with 7-in-1 accessories, allowing it to clean windows, stoves, and more. Users appreciate its versatility and how it can tackle various cleaning tasks around the home. If you want a one-stop shop for cleaning, Schenley's the mop that can do it all. In summary, both the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner have their strengths. Reviewers appreciate the Shark for its effectiveness and reliability, while the Schenley earns praise for its affordability and versatility. Depending on your cleaning needs and budget, one of these mops may be a better fit for you. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of Shark versus Schenley, we've got a clear winner when it comes to price, cleaning power, heating time, and versatility. If you're looking for a reliable steam mop that doesn't break the bank, Schenley is your mop of choice. But if you're feeling fancy and want to splurge for that professional label, the Shark is still a solid option. Remember, whether you're Team Shark or Team Schenley, the most important thing is to keep those floors clean and your pockets happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.